Guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your Twitter X display name. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Player App Store, search for Twitter X and make sure Twitter X is updated to the latest version. If it's done, it will say open. So once that's done, click on open. And now click on your profile icon, top left hand corner of your screen, and look for profile. So click onto your profile and now click on edit profile, and here is where you can change your name, your bio, add location, website, date of birth and all that fun stuff, but you want to change your name. So just simply click on your name, type in a new name, and then once that is done, click on save, and there you go. That's how you change your profile name on Twitter X. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.